are not allowed to buy land in the 6 schedule area. Non-tribal মানুহ কিটা non-tribal যিমান লগা মানুহ আছে যিমান non-tribal মানুহ আছে এইটো ভালকে শুনিবি এইটো 6 schedule এৰিয়াতে আপুনি লগা মাটি কিনিব নোৱাৰে 18 ইঞ্চি মাটি কিনিব নোৱাৰে আপুনি লগা কিন্তু ক'ত লিখিছে ক'লে it is written in the 6 schedule to the Constitution of India 6 schedule to the Constitution of India paragraph 3(1)(a) ইয়াতে লিখা আছে আর paragraph 3(1) এতে মই পঢ়ি দিব কি লিখা আছে ইয়াতে বাংখাই পছনি রাখো paragraph 3(1)(a) তাতে ট্রান্সফার অফ ল্যান্ড কিন্তু শব্দ লিখা আছে তাতে লিখা এইটো হয় যে সেকশন 3 of the United Khasi Gender Hills District Transfer of Land Act 1953 prohibited sale, mortgage, lease, barter, deed or transfer in any other way of land by a tribal to non-tribal or by a non-tribal to another non-tribal except with the sanction of the district council. But paragraph 3(1)(a) 6 schedule to the Constitution of India that clearly লিখা আছে non-tribal has no right to buy land in the 6 schedule area. Lasi Namong Lake, Solong Lake, Kapit Akijoy, Ilong Lake, Ladakh to talk down the donor. Laki little city Paganani. Into the donor rabo. Woman Akise Kinchino. Woman Alam Kagoma Hemapan, Mondera Hemapan, Jirta Hemapan. It's in the Japan of Tekla, Lakana that be one in to talk. Lakan is a common of the lake. Lakan Pillar in India, the Lakan Constitution of the Lasi, Indian Constitution of the Chedani. India Constitution are one of them. 6 schedule of them. You can Chedano for that. You can use the G. Alama Sari. Did it too? You have one hand break like that. Allah to me to Mani to Ramasan Siman. Handbrake can have to money in it. Of course, I want to do it. Did it to me as a handbrake and then buy a full of that. No, I just say to handbrake and catch a song. I took jump from when I say, read up on the Lucky Jack and get a time in it. German take time in it. Happen and they break on it. Yes, I'm going to make it. Lasi, BJP along the Hokunor, Congress along the Hokunor, and the political party on the Dola, BJP are the Hokunor, Idunta, एक बार को समस्त रंजी आर्टिकल 244 रंजी को करते हैं नॉन के इतने जल्दी उसे रास्ते को तो डालते हैं तब वो लिखे थे कि तो पैसे कि हम तक सुने के रास्ते से क्या है जिले तुम्हारा वोट के लोग 38,000 तक दिने का के लाख मिले क्या तुम्हारा फंड डालना तो पहले नहीं कर वोट अच्छी रास्ते राजा खाने तो बच्चे निकल तुम रहलो हो पर तुम सुमलो सेटा नागली ने लियो से आजाद जे को करते हैं लाभांशों आर्टिकल 244 है autonomous state के निकुंभार अकबरेगा तुम जरा केसों की बात कर लो रंगवान की बात कर लो लास्टिल तुम्हारा जत्थिता जी लापे मिला सब को पे हम कर क्या लाए लो आने वाला चीज़ नहीं रहता है नहीं कमाने तो बाजार कम नहीं थे लो अकबरे बाजार इंटेलिजेंस को दामन भी तुमको तो there is one question that I want to ask to the India to the Assam government why the Assam government is find very difficult to implement article 244 even though it is written in the Indian Constitution why the Assam government they find very difficult we are demanding not against the Constitution of India I want to send this message to the Assam government we are not demanding against the Constitution of India we are demanding what is in the Indian Constitution it is written clearly in Article 244A that an autonomous state shall be created for the 2 hills district. That is what Kargil Lamati Mahasab. And that must be implemented. You are repeating the same mistake that we have done in 1960. Remember the result, what is happening in 1960, in 1969, in 1971. How Meghalaya has been formed, how Nagaland has been formed, how Mizoram has been formed, how Arunachal Pradesh has been formed. That is your mistake. And the same mistake you are now repeating the same mistake. And until and unless our demand has been fulfilled, we are not going to stop it. Masih autonomous state handbrake dalam ketika bangkai, jadi tuh APHLC aku mendengar jatuh tadi, lalu tujuan orang yang sudah bercubai hal, BJP aku sudah bercubai hal kerja sama bangkai itu lain lain.